SOC 2 Audit Process Explained. Step-by-step guide for compliance.
If your business handles customer data, you've probably heard about SOC 2 compliance.
But what exactly is the SOC 2 audit process, and how can you prepare for it? Stick around, we're breaking it all down step by step.
What is SOC 2? SOC 2 is a security framework developed by the AICPA to ensure service providers securely manage customer data. It's based on 5 trust services criteria: security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy.
Unlike SOC 1, which focuses on financial controls, SOC 2 is all about data security, making it essential for SaaS companies, cloud providers, and any business storing sensitive information.
The SOC 2 audit process. Step by step. Step 1. Determine your scope. Before starting, you need to define your audit scope. Which systems, processes, and data will be evaluated? Are you going for Type 1, point in time, or Type 2, over a period, usually 6 to 12 months?
Step 2. Select the right trust services criteria. You don't have to cover all 5 criteria, just the ones relevant to your business. Security is the one mandatory criterion, and most companies start with it, then add others like availability or confidentiality if needed.
Step 3. Conduct a readiness assessment. A pre-audit assessment helps identify gaps in your controls. Many companies hire a third-party firm to review policies, run vulnerability scans, and ensure everything aligns with SOC 2 requirements.
Step 4. Implement necessary controls. Based on the assessment, you'll need to strengthen security measures like encryption, access controls, and incident response plans. Documentation is key here.
Step 5. Engage a certified auditor. Only a licensed CPA firm can perform an official SOC 2 audit. They'll review your controls, test their effectiveness, and issue the final report.
Step 6. Receive your SOC 2 report. If you pass, you'll get a SOC 2 report, either Type 1 or Type 2. This is a powerful trust signal for customers and partners.
Tips for a smooth SOC 2 audit. 1. Start early. SOC 2 can take 6 to 12 months. 2. Work with experienced consultants to avoid costly mistakes. 3. Use compliance automation tools to streamline evidence collection.
And that's the SOC 2 audit process in a nutshell. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more compliance content, and drop a comment if you have questions.